Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve Deccan Herald newspaper Sudoku puzzle on February 6, 2023. Hard Sudoku. Fifth row and sixth row. We have three. Column H, column J, also we have three. So three can't come. These cells. The three is confirmed here. Third row and fourth row. We have six. Column H also we have six. So six can't come. These cells. Then six is confirmed here. Column H, column I, we have six. So six can't come. These cells. Then six is confirmed here. Column H we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Ninth grade and fourth row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column F, column G and fourth row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Third row, fourth row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column H, column J we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 10th also we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column J we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. The 9 will come here on the cells. We will confirm later. 8th row and 10th row we have 2. Column B also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column B and column C we have 2. 7th row also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 8th row and 9th row also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 6th row and 7th row we have 6. Column F, column E also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 can confirm here. 4th row, column F we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 will come here one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then the column F, column G we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 9th row, 8th row we have 3. Column D also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column B, column D we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. Column G we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. Column F we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then the column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column J we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. The 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. 4th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 4th row, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, and 4 will come in another cells. We'll confirm later. Then second grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9, it will come in another cells. Column F, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Third row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Then fourth row, only 1 number is remaining, 7, 7 is confirmed here. Column C, column B, we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 8, 4, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. 4, 8, 5, then fifth grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9, 7th row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Fifth row and 7th row, we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8, column I, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 4, 7th row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column I, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, then 7 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8, column I, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Then 7th row, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9, 8 will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. The 9th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8, column B, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 9, 8, third row, we have 8 and 9, so 8 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in other cells. 10th row, we have 8, so it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Sorry, 9. Then column D, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, then 9 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9, third row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Third row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Then column C, only 1 number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and subscribe in this video. Thank you very much.